असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.2 problem number 3. Look at the question. Express the following information in the standard form. Okay, here 7 questions are given. They are in the normal form. We have to convert them into standard form. Okay, right. What is the first question? Size of the bacteria is 0.000004 meters. Okay, we have to convert them into standard form. So how we convert this? Right, look at the first one solution. Zero point zero 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 0.000004 meters. So first of all we have to count after the decimal point how many places are there. Nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So after the decimal point we have 7 places. That is why we need to take in the denominator 1 7 zeros, 3 4 5 6 7. So I am removing now this decimal point. Directly I am writing 0.000004. So in front of this digit 4 there is no value for these zeros. Okay, so remove all the zeros. 4 by 1 7 zeros. Okay, right. So now this we can write, how many zeros we have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This we can write 4 by 10 power 7. 4 by 10 power 7 we can write. So and next what becomes 4 into 10 power minus 7. The use of a power 1 by a power m is equals to a power m minus m formula I have used here. By this formula this becomes 4 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, now what is the standard form? Now 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters is the standard form of the size of the bacteria. Okay, is it clear? 4 into 10 power minus 7 is the answer. Right, next coming to row number 2. Right. What is the second question? The size of red blood cells is 0.000007 millimeters. So what is the question? Size of the red blood cell. I am directly writing solution here 0.000007 mm. Mm is nothing but millimeter. Okay, right. So after a decimal point 1 2 3 4 5 6. After the decimal point we have 6 decimal places. That is what I am writing in the denominator 1 6 zeros here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay, right. Write down here 0.000007. Okay, I have removed here decimal point. Right. So in front of this 7 there is no value for these zeros. That is why I am removing the zeros. 7 by 6 zeros as it is. This we can write 7 by 10 power 6. For 6 zeros I am writing the exponent 6. Okay, so a power 1 by a power m is equals to a power m minus a power minus m. From this formula this becomes 7 into 10 power minus 6. This is the standard form of the red blood cell. Okay, here I am going to stop here. Okay, is it clear? Right. Next problem number 3. What is the question? The speed of light is 3,000,000,000. How many zeros we have? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write that in standard form. 3,000,000,000,000 meter per second. 1, 2, 6. Okay. Right. Now how we write this? 3 into 1,000,000,000,000. Okay. This we can write 3 into, how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the standard form. Okay. Enough. This is next. Which one? Problem number 4. So the distance between the moon and earth is 384467,000 meters. Okay, we have to write that in standard form. So look at here, problem number 4. What is the question? 384467,000 meters. This we can write 384467 into 1000 meters, and this we can write 384467 into 10 power 3. It is enough to write here. Okay, is it clear? 384467 into 10 to the power of 3 we can write that. This is the problem number 4. Next we go for problem number 5. What is the question? The charge of an electron is 0.0000000000000000016. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 zeros, and then after 1, 6. So after the decimal point we have 18. Is it 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think it is not 18 place, it is 19 place, I think. Right, here it is 17 zeros. Okay, 0.1 more 0 here. So after the decimal point we have 19 decimal places. Okay, right, this we can write problem number 5. 0.000000000 and 000 1, 2, 3, 4 000 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0016 is the question given. Right, so after the decimal point we have 19 places that we can write in the denominator 1 000 000 000 000 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 15 and 3 zeros again. So I am writing neatly. So 1 000 000. So we have to write 19 zeros here. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, 19 zeros, and here we can write 16. Okay, after the decimal point we have 19 decimal places. That is why I am taking 19 zeros in the denominator. Okay, 16 by this we can write 10 to the power of 19. Okay, we have one formula, a power 1 by a power m is equals to a power minus m. From this formula this becomes 16 into 10 power minus 19. What are the units? Charge of an electrons, I think meters, I think mm, centimeters. Okay, coulombs, sorry. Coulombs. Okay, right. Right. This is a charge of electron. Here also write down coulombs. COULUMBS. This is a unit for charge of electron. Right. 16 into 10 power minus 19 is the standard form of the charge of an electron. Next we go for problem number 6. What is the question? Thickness of a piece of a paper is 0.0016 centimeter. So what is the question? 0.0016 centimeter. This we can write 0016 by 1 4 zeros, due to after decimal point we have 4 decimal places. Centimeter as it is 16 by 10 power 4 we can write. This becomes 16 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter is the standard form. Okay, right. Next go for problem number 7. What is the question? The diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000005 centimeters. So down here, 7th one, 0.0000, how many zeros? 5 zeros and 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 zeros, 5 centimeters. Right, this we can write 0.000005 by, I am removing that decimal point here, that is why I am writing here 1 6 zeros. After decimal point we have 6 places. Okay, centimeter as it is. So it becomes 5 by 1,000,000,000. Is it clear? Next, this we can write 5 by 10 power 6, and this we can write 5 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters from 1 by a power m is equals to a power minus m formula. Okay, right, this is the standard form.